For more than 40 years, the Abrams has fought with a crew of 4: commander, gunner, driver, and loader. That fourth man matters. He is not just the guy who lifts the shell. In a real tank crew, the loader helps spot threats, clears jams, handles ammunition, watches the flanks, and helps keep the vehicle running when it breaks. So if the future Abrams really drops the fourth crewman, that is not a small change. It is a redesign of how the tank fights. The reason is simple. Space equals weight. Every crew station inside a tank needs room, armor, electronics, air, displays, escape paths, and protection from fire or blast. The larger the protected space, the more armor you need around it. And on the Abrams, weight has already become one of the biggest problems. The M1E3 is expected to attack that problem by shrinking the space that must be protected. Instead of putting people in both the hull and the turret, the future layout may move the crew into a protected compartment lower in the vehicle. The turret could become unmanned, or at least much more automated. The main gun would no longer need a human loader standing beside it. An autoloader would handle the rounds. That does 2 things. First, it can reduce crew risk. If the turret is hit, there may be no crewmen inside it. Second, it can reduce volume. Less volume means less armor, less weight, and a tank that is easier to move, fuel, recover, and upgrade. But there is a trade-off. A 3-man crew has fewer hands, fewer people to repair track, reload ammunition, pull security, watch drones, and stay alert through long operations. Anyone who has served around heavy vehicles knows that maintenance is not theory. It is daily work. That is why this change is controversial. The autoloader may solve the firing problem, but it does not automatically replace everything a fourth soldier does. Still, the direction is clear. The Army is not just trying to make the Abrams newer. It is trying to make it survivable in a battlefield filled with drones, top attack weapons, sensors, and precision fires. The old Abrams protected the crew by surrounding 4 men with massive armor. The next Abrams may protect the crew by making the protected space smaller, lower, and harder to hit. And that is why the Abrams may lose its 4th crewman. What do you think? Is a 3-man Abrams crew the right move for the future battlefield, or is the 4th crewman still too valuable to lose? Let me know in the comments.